Hey everybody, we are here at M-11. This is M-12 and this is M-11. M-10 over there just sold, but M-11 is available. So we're gonna take a total sneak peek. This house is not being worked on just yet because we're busy working on this house that already sold. So let's go in through my little steps here and take a look inside. We're gonna go up here. Hi there! And we're showing you this amazing, huge living room. You got lots of space in here, and look at that fabulous kitchen. So when we get this house squared away, we'll have this ceiling fan. Look at these enormous windows. And this house has a fabulous little closet for you to hang your things. I've had other people put this into like a pantry, and that's our back door. Pretty little 9 light and your electric panel. So this house is in gray cabinetry. This is a 4 appliance package. Your Whirlpool, these are all national brand names. Whirlpool refrigerator and your Whirlpool dishwasher and your Whirlpool look-alike, Viking look-alike, which you can't see right now because all the grills. Everything comes all wrapped ready for travel. And then there's your Whirlpool microwave. We got 2 double sink aluminum sinks. Oh, the breeze feels so good. So the cabinets are huge. Look how deep that is. That's fabulous. These are all wood cabinets, lots of room. And this house we designed with the cabinets going all the way to the ceiling. So let's take a look at the living room from this angle. There's Danny, he's helping me with the doors. And over here, wow, really wide because this is a 16-foot wide. And this is the laundry area. So when the cabinets come, they come with these little clips for travel. And nothing's been taken care of yet. So you're totally getting a sneak peek. Then we're gonna go over here and take a look at this fabulous, wow, that's really a very wide counter. And they, oh, look at that countertop. That's like a marble look-alike, I'm saying look-alike again. And we got a big mirror that's framed. There I am. And really pretty. So I think that medicine cabinet's gonna be swapped out because that's not the typical one we usually get. It's usually a cosmetic box. And all the breakables are protected during travel. So the top of the toilet is right there, ready for the guys to put together. And the doors for the one-piece fiberglass shower stall are in the other room. There's a lot of pieces that are not put together until the house arrives. So the houses come about 90% done, and then we do all the work afterwards. And this is a bonus linen closet behind the shower. And again, all the little clips are there. And wow, look how deep. You can put all your towels and whatever toiletries you need to put in there. And now we're gonna look at the master bedroom. And here you have the bypass doors for the closet that have not yet been installed, and that's where they will go. And that's our hot water heater in the back. And wow, look how deep this closet is. Lots of closet space, very, very nice. And here we have an enormous hot water heater. That's a 40-gallon. That's an upgraded hot water heater that we do bigger than the normal 30 standard. So very wide house. Let's go check out the second bedroom. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. And here's your furnace. Again, nothing's put on yet, but your heat and your air conditioning run through that. It's central air conditioning. And here's all the things that come that we still have to put in. The venting, the ceiling fan, the sconces, the glass for the shower, extra shutters, the closet doors. There's your closet area. Oh, I love these windows. They're so pretty. And the company adds these little valances. This is the indigo color that they picked here. We don't get a choice on that. They give us whatever they want. But all the windows come with the little valances and those little shades. So that's a bonus. So let's go back to the kitchen and take one last look. And this is really nice. So email me at info@dolanhomes.com so that we can let you know what the status is of move-in possibility for this house and the price. And the steps are you receive an informational email. There's too much information to give to people by the phone call, so you email me. I give you the informational email, then you, if you're interested in touring, you answer my 15 pre-qualifying questions, and then you get your resident application. You can fill that out, get approved. If you need financing after you're approved, I will give you, as a courtesy, the 3 manufactured housing loan providers that we do know of. You're welcome to use whoever you want. We have no affiliation with the ones we give out, but we do it as a courtesy to help out our home buyers. So again, visit our website, dolanhomes.com or myhomeincarteret.com. And particularly you need to email me, because if you contact me any other way, I'm going to ask for your email. And that would be info@dolanhomes.com, and I will send you the beginnings of how to reach us. All right, thanks for stopping in.